It's the Stanley Cup playoffs on NBC, presented by Geico, as the scene shifts to the Mile High City for Game 3 in this second round series between the San Jose Sharks and the Colorado Avalanche. Couple 20-year-olds in behind Gabe Landeskog, who won the draw, to be dropped off. MacKinnon shooting, and that hit a stick in front. MacKinnon right back on the ice, along with Landeskog. A lead feed for MacKinnon across. Chance, and a big stop there by Martin Jones at the top of the crease. They'll miss Calvert in a variety of ways here tonight after that Richter scale hit to set up the empty net goal in Game 2. Back the other way, a chance, and Martin Jones got that as Andrighetto has an early opportunity. And that shot went wide. There's Logan Couture. Timo Myers in front of the net as it comes across for LeBanc. Gets a return pass, fires it, and that hit the goal post.
You see him come in, and that's his patented play, coming down up high and snapping it off right off the joint in the net.
Everybody thought he was going to be too small. He's now 195 pounds.
Here's a steal, and Hertl to the attack. Hertl in! Big stop, rebound, and Grubauer's got that too.
Oh, an uncharacteristic turnover by Nathan MacKinnon to Tomas Hertl. Cuts to the inside part of the ice. One save, second save, no rebound for a third.
Here's Ryan at center. On to the left side for Sorensen. Sorensen from an angle gets his own rebound. Has Thornton with him, another delayed penalty and a shot that either hit the post or Thornton in front, and Grubauer covers, but the Sharks headed right back to the power play. So Meyer out, Vlasic is in deep. Hertl covering his point position here, and now Burns moves up, and he rings it off the bar. That's two for the Sharks. Out comes Couture. Here's Nyquist, lost the handle, trying to get it back in the corner. Timo Myers on it. Here's Myers shooting, loose in front, Couture scores! Logan Couture is on the board in round 2.
No question. You see Cale Makar couldn't match up with Couture, but Gus Nyquist did a great job getting the flow of play away from that puck, and that allowed Couture to win the race and put it to the back of the net.
To the bench, Andrighetto and MacKinnon back out, along with Landeskog and JT Compher here. That cut off at center ice. And here come the Sharks, a chance, and there's a goal and a beautiful shot, barred down for Timo Meier.
Yeah, it was a bad change too as well. They weren't counting on Johnson turning that puck over, but you get an idea of how explosive Timo Meier can be. So he's not just a big body who can skate, he's a big body who can finish plays.
Sharks trying to start quickly here in the second period. Let's see what kind of pushback from the home side as MacKinnon, who had 3 of the 7 shots, puts it in front. So he might not miss a shift. Face-off won by the Avalanche. Barrie put it in front. Wilson, big stop. Martin Jones still loose.
Barrie, the fake shot. And it gets deflected a number of times on the way in, and then Colin Wilson has that chance. And Martin Jones stepped out, was aggressive, and made an excellent save.
On Kane, kept in by Vlasic, off the crossbar, off the glove and bar. And San Jose comes close to a 3-0 lead.
And then this turnover leads to this. Glove, crossbar, and not in.
Carlson to Meier to LeBanc, and tried to hook it back. Didn't work for Meier. Meier keeps it alive at the line. Gets it back and fires right on. Rebound cleared. Burns shooting off a stick and high. Penalty done. Thornton a shot. Stopped by Grubauer, loose in front. Thornton looks for it, finds it. And on the strength of a real run at home, they qualify for the playoff. Kane in alone. Evander Kane stopped by Grubauer.
There's the touch pass Joe talked about. Evander Kane coming in all alone, and Grubauer comes up with another large save.
Series of Grubauer saves to hold it to 2. Melker Karlsson can't clear. Kept in by Barrie. Rantanen in front. And off the post. What a chance that was for Wilson.
The next one by Wilson off the post.
Gets it back from Makar. Fans want a shot. Kerfoot in the slot. Played again off the post. Looked like that glanced off iron. Swung across, a chance in front. Big stop, Jones. Rebounded, Compher can't control.
What a
save by Jones. Kerfoot into the slot, down low. Watch Cale Makar backdoor. Soderberg can't just get it to go. Martin Jones, big as a house.
Great communication there. Soderberg facing the glass, dropped it back. Where's Zadorov could clear it.
Stretch pass cut off by Cole. Here's McKinnon. Score!
What a shot. This place is going crazy.
And an awesome read by Ian Cole in the neutral zone to force that Turner and headman the puck to the swift skating McKinnon.
Erik Karlsson denied that. Puck played ahead, and Erik Johnson knocked down. He got run over by Haley. And there's a shot off the post by Melker. Out of midair by Kerfoot to hold the zone. Compher, Wilson, shooting right on. Rebound. Kerfoot unable to reach that puck. Here's Landeskog working his way to the net. And Jones held the post. It'll come back to Tyson Barrie. And McKinnon. Barrie across. Zadorov right on. Ahead it goes. A great play by Landeskog to knock that pass down. Give it to Barrie for McKinnon. Can't get the shot. There's one right on. Colin Wilson. Derek Brassard, who was a Stanley Cup hero back in 2015 with the Rangers. Girard shot blocked. Good block there by Nyquist. McKinnon across. Here comes a shot and an arm stop on a shot that looked labeled by Cale Makar. Plays it wide, looks for the ricochet. Soderberg had it knocked off his stick by Thornton. Back to the line and across for Girard again. Got it through. Scores! On the tip. The game is tied.
And Joe and Chris, how about the kids in the back end? That Sammy Girard that shot the puck, but he got the relay from Cale Makar. They were overplaying on Makar. He sensed it. He moved it over to his left, and then the quick release by Girard.
And Cale Makar on Nieto's fourth of the playoffs at 11:45. Here's Couture shooting, scores! Logan Couture answers back.
What an act of deception right there by Logan Couture, a thing of beauty. Watch this little move right there. That gets Grubauer up and off the post, and Couture's able to beat him short side.
Knocked off his stick and flipped out, and away goes Rantanen to the attack over the line with Landeskog. Rantanen in, fired it right on. He'll flip it in, and now Soderberg on the forecheck is Justin Braun. Moves the puck quickly, but not out. Kept in, shot off the post. Another redirect from a point shot. The final minute, and Couture getting set to return. Here comes McKinnon. Nathan McKinnon, backhand stop by Martin Jones. At center, Goodrow the turnover. Can't get it through to Couture. Colorado trying to retrieve it. That was gloved and knocked down by Karlsson. Scores! And it's Logan Couture with the hat-trick goal to clinch it here in Denver.
They knock it down, and Logan Couture finds it, spins, and all in one motion, the clincher.
And the San Jose Sharks have won their third in 4 road games in the Stanley Cup playoffs and have reclaimed home ice advantage with a big road win at Pepsi Center. Well, the Avalanche made it interesting as they pulled back into a tie, but Couture unties it and finishes it. The Stanley Cup playoff final score tonight, Sharks 4, Avalanche 2.